welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy, and today I'll be teaching you how to put on your eyelashes so you don't have the ends like flicking off the eye and you know, like a hot mess on your night out. Okay, so what you will need, duo glue, then you're gonna need tweezers, obviously you're gonna need your eyelashes. I love the Ardell Wispies, the Ardell Demi Wispies, sorry I should say. You can get them on Amazon. Everything that I've used will be linked in the description bar below. These ones I love because they just look very natural. I just find like they look the most like lashes, and also for beginners, they have a very thin band. Okay, first tip of the day, for getting your eyelashes out of the packet. Yeah, so with the edge of my thumb, I'm just kind of pulling like that. And then like I'm doing it a few times, and then it just breaks away. Like I sometimes find if you just grab it here and just go for it and just pull, you can end up like misshaping the lashes. And you know, you've just bought them, okay? You don't want them to be misshapen. Yes, another tip for you is that don't like squeeze your bottle and just like right over the lash, because what has happened before is that like a load of it just like splurts out, lash ruined, you're crying on the floor, and it's not good, okay? Yes, you just want to put your layer of glue on the lashes. I tend to put a little bit more on the ends. Okay, so that amount of glue just on the edge. Okay, so now what you do with your lash with the glue is you wait. I know it's really tempting to like slap it straight on when it's wet. You're impatient, you want to go out, you want to take your photos. If you put it straight on when it's wet, it's gonna be a hot mess. Put a timer on if needs be, okay? You should wait 2 minutes. I know, it seems like a lifetime. The reason for waiting is that the glue is gonna dry down a little bit and get kind of a little bit tacky. So that when you put it on the lash, then you can kind of just move it to where you want to go and it's just sticking. If you try and put it on like straight away, it's gonna be slipping and sliding all over the place. Okay, it has been 2 minutes. So what I like to do is take the lash by the end, like first. What I do is I get a mirror, I look straight ahead, I keep my eyes open. Okay, I place it kind of in the middle first. All right, then I get my tweezers. I'm just squinting. I'm not like blinking or closing my eyes. Take the outer corner and just stick it in, or the inner corner, sorry. Then I take the outer corner, place that down, and then what I do is I kind of go along the whole line and make sure that it's fully stuck down. And then what I do with my tweezers is I kind of go along and like clamp down to really make sure that it's stuck down. And then I kind of wiggle it a little bit with my fingers, just kind of push it up a little bit. And there you have a lash intact. And that is how you apply fake eyelashes. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for videos, please leave me a comment down below. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.